Got a small problem, could turn into a big one. You know how it goes. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Got a little problem with the stove. It's not working right. It's like when you turn the knobs, the eyes don't come on. Yeah, all of them. It's been happening for a little while. It's getting worse. Let me show you. Turn this and, of course, works now. That's funny. When you want it to work, it doesn't. And when you're hoping that it doesn't work, it does. Crazy. Anyway, believe me guys, there's a part I have to replace. I'll get to it. Trust me. First thing I'll do is remove the grates, pull the plug on electricity, and turn off the gas. For the beginners, whatever you do, please make sure the gas is off. The valve should look just like this, opposite direction of the pipe. That's how you know it's off. Time to remove the burners. Shouldn't be hard. I think it's time to get my Star Wars socket set. Perfect for jobs like this. Glad I got it real cheap off of Walmart.com. Check it out. Here we go. Oh yeah. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it any day. Believe me when I tell you that. Several years ago, you would have never caught me doing something like this. That wasn't bad. Still have a ways to go. Still got some bolts and screws, but you get the gist of it. You know what? I think I'll get the rigid out. Do I really need to use this? No, I just want to. Done. Got them all. Now let's go under here. You like my light? Got a good deal on these lights. $9.98, something like that from Home Depot. Got 2 of them. So I'll use the light to get the screws under the top of the stove. Oh yeah. I know the video isn't about the light, but you guys got to go out and get 1 or 2. You'll find screws on both ends just like this. I believe you remove the right one or left, maybe both. I'll figure it out. But this is what it looks like. Next, I'll pull the knobs. Wait, let me turn this light off. I'm tired of that glare. All right, I'll pull the knobs and finish up what I'm doing. I said that like this is pretty much over. It's not. There's the casing for the knobs. I pulled it out. Wasn't too difficult. Still got some work to do all under here. Just more screws. Gotta find the right ones so I could lift up the top and start working under it. Yep, right over here. There we go. Has to be this one, right? Makes sense. Let's give it a try. You'll see the screws that you have to remove. I don't know where I'd be without this light. Anyway, so I have to push this down along with the rest of them so I can eventually lift up the stove top like this. You have to be careful too, by the way. It shouldn't be nothing to this now. Just a little lifting, tugging, should come up. Just keep at it, wiggle it a little bit. You know how to do it. Push it, pull it. It's not hard. Finally, here's the problem. The spark modular has to go. Gonna clean some of this. Looks pretty good. But yeah, this modular is probably done. It's time to be replaced. Has to go. I'm sure this will be a lot easier to remove than the stove top itself. There we go. All right. And I'll just get the model number and get a new one. But before I do anything, I'll take a mental note of where the wires are, just in case I forget. As a matter of fact, I'll take some photos. That way, if I do forget, I'll have something on standby. My main concern is the price. Hope it's not too expensive. Can't believe this little part is causing all this trouble. Oh well. Meanwhile, I'll lightly scrub some of this metal just in case we got caked up grease on it. You never know. But like I said, it looks good. Even the burners. Why not? Thanks for watching. Take care. See you later.